Ever just get sucked into those like easy money side hustle videos
Oh,
online?
totally.
They get you right. Like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, all I got to do is slap together this website or talk into this microphone.
Like, instant millionaire.
Yeah. But let's be real. If it were really that easy, don't you think we'd all be,
Yeah.
relaxing on a beach somewhere?
Exactly. And that's what we're diving into today, the reality of these side hustles.
Okay, so let's unpack this. I mean, we've all seen those ads, make money in your pajamas,
Oh, yeah.
passive income, work from anywhere.
Financial freedom.
But what does the research actually say about all of this?
Well, the truth is, most of these easy money online businesses, they fail.
Really?
Yeah, like over 95% within the first year. And it's because they just don't prepare you for all the hidden costs, the
Huh?
time commitment, the competition.
And a lot, right.
It is.
So the research suggests instead of chasing these like internet trends,
Right?
why not start with what you already know?
Exactly.
And that's where freelancing comes in.
Exactly. Freelancing is great because it lets you use your existing skills, and you often don't even need a lot of money to get started.
Okay, that makes sense. So like what kind of skills are we talking about here?
Well, it could be anything. Are you a good writer?
Ooh, yeah, a lot of people say that.
Maybe you're a design whiz or good at organizing.
It's not me.
But these are all valuable skills in the freelance world. Think virtual assistants, freelance writers, website designers, video editors.
So many options.
There really are. And with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr,
Oh yeah, I've heard of those.
it's easier than ever to connect with potential clients.
So you're saying that knowing social media can actually be a big help with freelancing.
Oh, 100%. You know, so many businesses struggle with social media.
They do.
And if you're already comfortable, with creating engaging content, running ads, that sort of thing,
Uh-huh.
that could be a really good side hustle for you, becoming a social media manager.
That's a good point.
Just got to be willing to keep learning because things change quickly in the digital world.
Stay curious. So, we talked about sharing knowledge, teaching, and coaching. What about those types of side hustles?
Love it.
Yeah.
A lot of people think about traditional subjects, but it can be anything.
Okay.
Online calligraphy lessons, career coaching, even photography or coding workshops.
Yeah.
Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it so easy to create and sell your courses online.
Oh, wow. That's so cool. Like you could be a website designer, but also teach other people how to do it.
Yeah, why not?
Double the income.
It's about diversifying, and it taps into that growing demand for online learning. And speaking of online, we got to talk about digital products.
Ooh. Okay. Like what?
Have you heard of Etsy?
Yeah, of course. Who hasn't?
It's amazing. People are selling everything from printable wall art to custom planners, website templates, stock photos.
Sounds like passive income then, right?
Yeah.
Make it once, sell it forever.
In theory, yes, but
Right.
it still takes a lot of effort to get to that point.
Well, I bet.
Creating high-quality products, marketing them well, and then, honestly, you just gotta be patient.
Right. Be patient, put in the work. Okay, so one thing I found really interesting was this idea of UGC. What is that?
So UGC stands for user-generated content.
Okay.
It's kind of like being a content creator, but behind the scenes. Like you're making photos, videos, testimonials that brands then use.
Oh, so instead of being the influencer yourself, you're helping the influencer.
Exactly. And it's really popular right now because people trust it more than traditional advertising.
It makes sense. It feels more genuine.
Right, exactly.
So for someone who's creative but doesn't necessarily want to be in a spotlight, that could be a good option.
100%.
Okay. Now, what about those side hustles that, they sound like the dream,
Yeah,
but
those big ones.
yeah, the big ones. Being a YouTuber, a full-time blogger.
Building an online empire.
Yes. Those are more long-term goals.
For sure. They take a lot of dedication, consistency. Definitely.
Patience. It can be years before you see real income.
So it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've covered a lot. We talked about freelancing, social media, teaching, digital products. There's so much out there. But if we had to distill this research into one main point, what would you say it is?
Find something that you're genuinely excited about.
Right?
Don't do it just for the money. If you're passionate about it, if it aligns with your skills and goals, you're much more likely to succeed.
I love that. And even if your side hustle doesn't immediately replace your day job.
Right.
You're learning, you're growing.
Absolutely.
It's all about taking those skills and creating something new, something exciting.
And you never know what might happen. It could turn into a full-time thing, or it
Oh,
could just be this fun, fulfilling part of your life.
exactly.
That's the beauty of it.
So much to think about.
I know, right?
Thanks for breaking it down for us.
Of course. Happy to be here. And there you have it, folks. Remember, the best side hustle is one that you're passionate about. So get out there and explore.